Hey you guys, Bubba behind the butt crack here, and today we're doing a video showing you what I've got here. We're gonna put it on fast forward mode, and when I get this unboxed, you know, these items here, I'll come back at you and let you know what we got here, etc. You know, new stuff for the Jeep. Now, if you can't already tell, we got this Tong Yang here, and this Yin Yang. Now, we got this fender flare here for the driver's side, and we got this new front clip because old etc. is broke and just not cutting it. So, fiberglass, molded plastic. Molded plastic's better than old crap ass fiberglass with splinters and at least, you know, whatever. Anyway, nice fender here. Ignore. Make sure that's the rounded. Yeah, that's the rounded driver's side fender and the front clip here. So the deal is, pull this, put this on, take all the little insert clips, pop these out because the new one doesn't have it with it. Pop them in there, but like I did Bessie, good to go. So that's what we'll be doing here. Gonna make a quick update. Thanks for the Jeep. And yep, there we are, guys. This is an unboxing Jeep accessory. Oh, and we'll have to take a razor blade and carefully take these off and glue them over onto the new one. So there we are, guys. We might even spray paint them silver, freshen them up. There it is, guys. Update.